Hello, in this video I want to show you how to pack your files into rare and zip archives on Xiaomi Redmi 10A. So let's start with opening Rare app, which we've shown how to download in our other video. Now we can navigate to the folder that contains our files, and for me it's right here. Select each of the file, click on this plus button. Here you can change any archiving options, but staying with the default settings is also fine. If you want to experiment, simply turn on or off a few settings. Now I'm just gonna change the name. Let's go with a picture's name. Click on OK. And now our rare file will be created. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.